Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to tell you, does this phone have Face ID? Okay, so let's begin. Yeah, this phone have Face ID, and also let me show you how to turn it on. So open up your settings, scroll down, find security and privacy settings, and click on lock screen. Now click on face recognition, just like that. But we need to also set the PIN, password, or the pattern. So for example, let's say we need to also select the pattern. So simply draw your password, click on done, now click on continue, and now we have a possibility to enable face recognition. Click on continue, click on register, and now all you need to do is to simply place your face inside of the frame and then follow the instruction on the screen until your face will be successfully saved. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.